I'm Renee Velasquez, and if this is your first time to this channel and you want to learn about everything there is to know about living in Cleveland, Ohio, be sure to tap that like button, hit the subscribe, and click that little bell so that you're notified every time we release a new video. One of my favorite communities in Broadview Heights is Macintosh Farms. This is a huge community. It's surrounded in a white split rail fence, and it connects the modest of condos, sort of maintenance-free living. They have townhouses, they have ranch cluster homes, maintenance-free situations. They have regular single-family homes, all the way up to grand estates. It's surrounded by some of the best park systems out there. They have nature trails, lakes, streams, hiking, anything you could want in nature. So you grab your bikes, go on great trips with the family, take walks. If you're active, you get to have runs down the nature trails. It's such an amazing community. Some of my favorite restaurants near Macintosh Farms are the Mexican restaurants. You've got Canteen, and then one of my favorites is Cozumel. So those of you who don't know, Cozumel serves these fantastic margaritas. They're served in almost like a fishbowl. They're so large. And they have a margarita called a Corona-rita. So be careful, because the Corona-rita has a margarita with a small Corona bottle in the top. And as you're drinking it, the Corona fills the drink. So it's almost like two drinks in one. So if you ever want to grab your lady friends and hang out for the afternoon and have some Corona-ritas, make sure you grab an Uber on the way home, because they will catch up with you, no doubt. If you're looking for something to do with the kids, you're gonna go to the Broadview Heights Splash Park. It's a great place to cool off. So Here in Northeast Ohio, we get really, really hot in the summer. So we'll have temperatures anywhere from 76 degrees on up to 100 degrees. So take your kids to the splash park, cool off, let them blow off some steam, and hang out, and just so many amenities around the community. It's really, really a great place to live. We receive several calls a day from people just like you moving to the Cleveland area that want to work with our team. If this is you, we'd love to be the real estate team you choose. Our contact information is in the description down below.